Welcome to the Retirement Plan Company. This is a short video to help guide you through our enrollment process. First, visit our login site at www.trpc401k.com. Here, you will find our enrollment document that will go into detail on the important points we will review in this video, as well as an FAQ document to answer the most common questions. If you're a first-time user, you will click on New User. In the New User screen, select Request User ID and Password. This screen will ask you to enter your social security number, date of birth, and zip code. Once entered, click Next. In the next screen, you will confirm your date of birth and your zip code. Click Next. You will begin by setting up your security questions. Here you will select 3 questions and enter the answers. The next page is the beginning of your enrollment process. You will enter your personal information, contact information, and establish your username and password. Once everything's entered, click Next. You will now be routed to the iJoin portal. Click Next. We are now in the iJoin portal. To get started, click Let's Get Started. First, we will see a short video explaining the next steps. Click Continue. Here, your personal information will already be populated. Click Continue if everything is correct. Now you will confirm your income and savings. Click Continue once entered. This page shows your investment path. This page will present 3 investment selection options. Choose For Me will present the plan's default investment option. Help Me Choose will present you with a short questionnaire that will create a suitable portfolio based on your investment style and objectives. Note that this option is not available in all plans. Choose Myself will enable you to create your own custom allocation from the plan's menu of investment options. For purposes of this demo, we'll select Choose For Me. Click Save and Continue. You'll next be presented with a snapshot based on the personal information you provided and the investment selections that you made. To proceed with your retirement savings strategy, select Continue. At the top of the next page, you'll be presented with an estimate of your monthly income during retirement by income source. To update your retirement income projections, you're able to update your required monthly income, your expected retirement age, and your contribution rate. Once you've completed your retirement income projection, click Continue. You will next be asked to establish your account beneficiaries. Your beneficiaries are the person or people who will receive your account balance in the event of your death. You're required to select at least one. Here you will authorize your enrollment. After you authorize your enrollment selections, you can go to the home page of the user site by clicking on Go to My Account Now. You'll arrive on the My Dashboard page, which is the landing page that you'll see each time you log into your account in the future. This page will show a current estimate of your retirement income and your contribution rate, and includes links to view your account's performance and to access different forms and reports to manage your plan account. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please contact our client service team at 800-529-4249.